Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Liz Arts and Crafts. I'm excited to share that today's video is sponsored by Hooks and Needles. So they kindly gifted me these two boxes. Hooks and Needles is a company that does subscription boxes for crochet and knitting, where this whole box will contain the yarn, supplies, instructions, all to make a project, and also some treats, I guess. So I'm really excited to open these. I got one for knitting and one for crochet. This one says C and this one says K. So seeing that this is the crochet and this is the knitting. And yeah, they're both sealed. So you know I haven't opened them yet. Let's get to opening these. So I'm gonna start with the crochet one because I think I'm more excited for the knitting one because knitting is newer to me, I guess. So I think I'm more excited to see what tools are involved. Whereas crochet, I usually have my favorite tools on hand. But I'm excited to see what they have in here as far as tools go. And I'm also wondering, like, is the yarn going to be different between the two boxes, and what are the different projects going to be? I don't know. It's all a mystery to me and I'm so excited. So let's open it. So this is the crochet one. Okay, so it's hard not to look at it all at once. So it opens up with the instruction book, which I'm gonna look at last. And then it has some supplies. So I'm very intrigued by the supplies right off the bat. Okay, I'll try to show you before I get it all. I don't think I'll be able to show you all. Here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the yarn and try not to look at everything else. So it comes with 3 yarns, and they're each 100% bamboo viscose, which I've used this fiber before and I like this fiber. Made in Portugal, and it's like their own brand. So it's called the Perennial Blossom yarn. It's fine, so weight 2, and each of these is 50 grams, but they're pretty big, so they're each 191 yards. But I'm curious to see like what hook size is included with it. So, oh yeah, also what colors do we get? So we got, I don't think it has a color name, but we got like white, cream, green, and pink. This green is like my color for the spring. I've already crocheted this top, and you guys know I'm crocheting another top in this color. So I'm hoping there's a wearable with this green. It'll match my whole wardrobe already. So I'm excited. And this cream pairs with it perfectly. I'm a little unsure about the pink, but maybe on its own project, like maybe a project with these two and then a project with the pink. Like the pink and green together looks like a flower, which I think would be cute for certain crochet projects, but not for others. I guess we'll see what projects they have in mind. These are the 3 yarns. And then, ooh, we have some itty bitty hooks. So comes with some 2.75 millimeter hooks. That's a bit small. It's smaller than I'd usually go with. So only because I'm a lazy, you guys know this about me. I'm kind of a lazy crocheter. So a bit nervous about what the projects that they have in mind with these needles are, but the hooks that are with these hooks are, but the hooks themselves feel good. It has like this like aluminum, I think, base. Doesn't say, but it feels like an aluminum like hook, and this like wood handle. So it's like very lightweight, but I like that it's flat. I'll use this hook and let you know what I think about it. I think it's a little weird that it comes with 2 hooks of the same size, because I don't usually need more than 1 hook of the same size, but also they're very small. So if I accidentally sat on this on my couch or something, I would probably bend this, because I've done that before with other needles or other hooks. So maybe it's good that there are 2 of the same size. Up next, we have some goodies. Oh my gosh. This is gonna have an origami project. So I just found some like little eyelets. They're very small eyelets. So this is honestly going to test me. I'm not very good at origami. I've only tried a handful of times, and the last time I did it, I don't think I did an amazing job. So, but I didn't have the right size eyes. I had ones that were literally too big. So I'm excited that this comes with all the supplies I need for a project, because I don't have to run the risk of getting the wrong supply, you know? So I'm excited. I'm really curious. Okay. Oh, it comes with some spring jasmine tea for your cozy crafting moments. Oh, I love that. You know I'm gonna make some tea and crochet. That will help me relax before doing some really small origami project. Okay, last item is a vacuum sealed stuffing. We're gonna make an origami, I bet. Okay, so that was everything in the box. We got the 3 balls of yarn, 2 hooks, stuffing, eyes, tea, and the crafting book. So I'm going to take a quick look at the crafting book and just see what the projects are. Yes, so as a table of contents, and it's kind of like a magazine, so it has like spring inspired tips for crafters. It comes with 3 projects. It's just like a magazine. There's a quiz at the end. You know I'm gonna do the quiz at the end. These tips are cute. So one of the tips is for stitch markers. You can make custom stitch markers for your projects using small bits of yarn scraps. Simply tie a knot in the yarn scrap to create a loop, then attach a small bead or charm to the loop for decoration. Why did I never think of adding a charm for decoration? I'm gonna like read through this and do like 17 magazine style, like implementing these tips into my life. Because that's a good idea. I like have charms that I could do that with. So I thought it was just gonna be projects and like not a magazine about crocheting and knitting. This is so fun. Okay, so let me look at the project. So this one the first one is a floral pot coaster. The next is a snuggle bunny. I might try the snuggle bunny, although I'm a little bit worried about such a small yarn. And then the last one is blooming flower wreath. Okay, this one's a bit intense for me, honestly. This is like a whole wreath where you would make like a ton of different leaves and flowers of the yarn, which makes sense. It's very cute and spring. I think, yeah, I like it, but it might be too intense for me. I might try the bunny because I want to use those eyes. Oh, I thought it was going to be a quiz, but it's actually a crossword puzzle. I'm definitely going to do this crossword puzzle later. Okay, I was trying to do the crossword puzzle and I couldn't do the first 2, but I got 4 down. A fine, soft fiber obtained from rabbits. And it's 6 letters. Okay, so that's everything in the book. Switching gears to the knitting box. In the description, there's a link that gives you a 20% off your first subscription box. Also, you can pause or cancel your subscription at any time with no hassle. So go over to Hooks and Needles and check out their different boxes and whatever your preferred craft is, crochet, knitting, or both. So let's get back to the unboxing. Okay, so it starts off with the book again. Okay, so this time we got a set of circular needles in size US 7. So 4.5 millimeter. We got 2 of 4.5 millimeter. I don't know, the size that you could use to make a hat or something. Circular needles. I'm curious what the projects are gonna be. Next, I found some fabric. This is exciting. Are they gonna have me knit a purse? This is such a pretty color. It's like fuchsia or something. Okay, so it comes with 3 balls of yarn. They're all 100% cotton. They're called the Frisia blend. They're each 50 grams. And they are worsted weight, so weight 4. Okay, so these are definitely gonna go with the needles. Oh, and then it comes in 3 colors. This like light green, light pink, and kind of darker pink. And some of the springtime jasmine teas. We're gonna have tea time. And some buttons. So these are 2 buttons, presumably to go with a purse. I don't know, I'm really curious to see the knitting projects. So the spring-inspired tips for crafters look the same. Oh, these are gonna be cute. I also see some color work. Okay, I'm skipping straight to the projects because I'm excited. So the first one is a pair of bunny slippers. And these are cute, but I've actually knit something similar to this before. I've knit slippers before, so, and they look like the same construction, so I'm gonna actually skip out on these. But I would knit these, but I have already done slippers, and I made 3 pairs when I did it, so it kind of, which means I made 6 of them, so kind of done with slippers for now, but cute. I like them. Next, we have a crossbody bag. This is the one I'm excited for. I know this is gonna take me a long time to knit. I'm gonna try this one. It gives a few tips for knit color work. I haven't done knit color work. I've tried it once and it turned out okay. Well, I guess I made 2 projects with it and they turned out okay, but I need help. So I'm gonna read all those tips and try to make this and see if I can improve. Also, these are supposed to be like a month-long project, so I'm like, I wonder if I could finish this in a month. I like that it's smaller, so maybe I actually could, because knit color work really does intimidate me. Okay, and so the third project is a flower pillow. Oh, I just realized they have the like knitting level on it. So the slippers were beginner, the purse was intermediate, and the last one is advanced. So this is an advanced pattern. This is the flower pillow. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It's like a similar vibe to the purse, but it's bigger. But it's cute. I feel like I'd use the purse more though. So. Okay, so I think that's everything in the boxes. So I'm so excited to get started and try working with these. I'm going to definitely share my process making something with these boxes, probably in an upcoming vlog, so keep your eye out for that. I like that they come with yarn and also like random supplies. So this one has fabric and buttons for the purse, and then the other one has the stuffing and eyes for origami. So it's really motivating me to use these other supplies. Check the link in my description if you're interested in trying it yourself. The link includes a 20% off code for your first subscription box. It's traced back to me as well, so they'll know that you found their website through me. These boxes ship in the US only, just so you know. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what questions you have about the box. I'll do my best to answer them all, and also I can answer them in my upcoming video. Thank you again to Hooks and Needles for sponsoring this video. I'm having so much fun with this collab and feeling so excited by our product. So thank you again for sponsoring this and gifting me these 2 subscription boxes. Thank you everyone for tuning into this unboxing, and stick around if you want to see how these products work and what I think of them. Bye!